investor? What are the qualities? Is it hard work, some luck, good contacts? What are the qualities that make a good investor and the kind of investor you have been doing?
Well, you definitely need a lot of training. So, there's a lot of issues to understand from a legal, investing, business standpoint. Before you start investing, you really need a lot of experience. And depending on the type of investing, depends on the type of experience. So someone like in risk arbitrage or private equity, probably the best place to start is mergers and acquisitions. We become familiar with valuations and merger agreements and takeover laws, and then you could apply that later on to purchasing companies on your own behalf or trading in the securities of companies undergoing mergers.
So when you're at cocktail parties, do people come up to you all the time and say, you got any good ideas for me, or that doesn't happen all the time?
Sometimes, but the worst thing is to give someone an idea, casually, and then it turns out the wrong way. You feel terrible. So it's, I prefer not to give investment advice.
So what's the best investment advice you've ever received?
I think the best thing is to invest in areas that you know well, that you can be lucky. Anyone could be lucky in a particular investment, but that's not a long-term strategy. If you invest in areas that you don't know, ultimately you're not going to do well. So the most important thing is to invest in areas, to concentrate on particular areas that you know better than other people in that area, and that's what gives you an advantage to succeed in investing.
And what is the most common mistake that you think investors make?
I think that they look for get-rich-quick schemes, and they buy based on stories, and then they chase investments that are going up, and ultimately those investments deflate, and then they lose money.